hot and cold water density experiment. First, we gathered the materials needed for the experiment. Next, a few drops of blue and red food coloring was added to the cold and hot water. Then we placed the cold water cup at the bottom of a pan. We held the index card carefully over the cup of hot water and inverted, and placed it on top of the cold water cup, with the index card preventing immediate mixing. We quickly removed the index card, allowing the hot and cold water to mix. The children observed what happens as the two temperatures of water combine. They observe how the hot water, being less dense, rises above the cold water, demonstrating the principle of density stratification. Later, the children had an idea to flip the cups to see what happens. When we flipped the containers with hot water at the bottom, the hot water started to rise above the cold water layer and started to mix, creating a different color. By actively participating in each step of the experiment, children gain a deeper understanding of these scientific concepts while having fun exploring the fascinating properties of hot and cold water. Thanks for watching.